So first, restart your PC. And now spam the delete key once the system shuts down. And then you just spam the delete key. Like this. Okay, now you have to select this XMP profile. I have already selected, and then you close this. After selecting, you have to close this, and then here it will say that you have enabled XMP option. So now it's not showing like that because I didn't enable, so I have enabled it already. You can see here the one is highlighted, so I haven't made any changes. So after that, you just click on yes, and that's all. It will boot into Windows 11, and now after that you can go and check your RAM memory speed. So I will show you now. You just wait for that. So now it's logged into my PC. So just right click on the task manager and then go to performance and then memory. Here you can see the RAM speed is 6000. So like this you have to enable the XMP in MSI board or whatever motherboard you have. So yeah, thank you for watching.